Hey everyone, Jerzy Poznar here with Up Close Travel, getting you up close with the world's most incredible destinations. Today we're going to get up close with the owner suite on the Luminara. This is Ritz-Carlton Yacht Collection's newest yacht. It is fantastic. I'm also going to have a ship tour and I'll link that here in this video. But right now we're going to take a look at the owner suite. If you have any questions, I'm always around. Contact me anytime. And if you'd like help planning your next adventure with the Ritz, I can help you do that as well. I am a preferred partner, so we can get you some added extra benefits. For now, let's take a look at the owner suite. Okay, here we are in the owner suite. This is the Ritz-Carlton Yacht Collection's Luminara. This is the newest yacht. This is their third yacht. So as we walk in here, we have a wet bar. We have some spirits also. Coffee, tea, a Sub-Zero refrigerator. Can be stocked with whatever you like. Flip around here. Beautiful artwork here. Here is your living space here. Lots of space here. Huge couch. Large flat screen TV. We'll step outside in a little bit, but you get a lot of light in here. Dining for 6. You get a little office space there if you have any work to do, or that's for your temperature control as well as lighting. So here's the bedroom. So you get a large king-size bed here. Nice windows facing out as well. Nice and bright space throughout the suite. Large closet space here. Open some of these up so you can get an idea. Okay, more on this side here. And if you are wondering, there is plugs for US, and they'll also have USB and USB Type-C. Second part, so this could be the hers of walk-in closet. Here is a little vanity area. Bathroom. So double vanity. Large soaking tub, and also a shower. And this does actually connect with the outside area. So if you have visitors, there's a half bath here as well, but you can keep that door closed so they don't have to come through your bedroom area to get to the bathroom. So here's the suite again. Owner suite. And now we'll step outside and get a taste of the balcony area. So here, more seating for 6, so you can have lunch or dinner outdoors. Plenty of outside loungers. They are closed up for now, but you also get your own private whirlpool. So here's the outside area, large area. You have a shower out here as well. And let's see if we can see views of the pool deck down below. But this is the owner's suite on the Luminara.